Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add notification into your Elementor page like this. You can see I have this notification, also over it I have this text which is asking me time is running out, hurry up and confirm your booking. I have also this cross button. When I will click on this cross button, the notification will disappear. But when I will refresh the page, after the delay of 2 seconds, I will receive this notification. So to create this notification, I have used a free add-on plugin, Unlimited Elements for Elementor. So let's log into your dashboard and install Unlimited Elements for Elementor add-on plugin. Now here first of all you have to install a plugin. So go to your plugins and click on add new. Now here in the search bar search Unlimited Elements. Here you can see the Unlimited Elements for Elementor add-on plugin. It has more than 100,000 plus active installations. I have already installed and activated it. As soon as you will activate it, it will take you to its settings. So let's go to its settings. In the menu sidebar, you can see the Unlimited Elements tab. You can click on the widgets to go to its settings. Now this is the settings page of this plugin, where you have the list of the widgets. You have to install any of the widget from there and then you can use it in the Elementor page builder. So here search for notifications. Here you can see the notification widget. When you install a new plugin, you will get an install button over this widget, but I have already installed this widget. So let's go to Elementor page builder, where I will show you how to create this notification from scratch. Now here on my Elementor page, I have this full screen slider on my page. Now under it I will add a notification. So I will create a new section with 3 columns and I will select this structure. Now I will go to middle column and click on this plus button. In the widgets I will search for notification. Here you can see the notification widget. It also has the logo of Unlimited Elements over there. So drag this widget into the middle column. Now here is the notification panel. You can see this pop up like that. Now here is the notification of on your page. First of all, you can change the notification text. I have added this text here. Under it you have this alignment. You can select any of, align it to the right, left or center. I will align it to the center. Now here is the icon. You can use any of icon from there. I will use this default icon. Now I will go to style. In the style, first of all I will change the notification background color. So I will select this color. Now here is the notification padding. You can increase it or decrease it like that. I will make it 30. Here is the notification radius. I will make it 20. And under it you have this notification border type. You can add a solid border, double, dotted, dashed or groove. But I will not use any border there. Here is the notification text color. Default one is perfect. Just I will change the weight. I will make it 600. And also I will change its transformation to capitalize. Now I will go to close button. Here first of all you can change the notification close button background. I will make it red. Here you can play with the horizontal and vertical positions. Also you can change the notification close icon color. Here you can see this white icon. You can change its color, but I think white is perfect there. Here you have the close button size. I will make it 35 and the size of the icon I will make it 20. So it will look like that. Here you can change the horizontal push and the vertical push. For the horizontal push I will make it -15 and for the vertical I will make it -5. Now it will look like that. Now I will change the close button radius. I will make it 30. Now you can see this rounded close button. You can also use the border. I will make it solid and use this default color. Now I have created this, but here I have this slide in animation and it placed over this slider. So for this I will go to its advanced settings. First of all, I will go to positioning and I will change its position to absolute. Now here for the horizontal orientation I will make it -300, and now for the vertical orientation I will first place it to the bottom and add 60 pixels. Now I will go to motion effects, and here in the entrance animation I will scroll down and select slide in left. Here you have the animation duration, you can make it fast or slow, but I will select normal, and here you can change the animation delay in milliseconds. I will add 2000, which is equal to 2 seconds. You can add your specified time there. Now I am done with that, so I will just update the page and preview it on live site. So click on update button. After updating, I will click on the side button to preview the changes. Now it will take 2 seconds, and now you can see this cool notification slides in from the left side. That's how you can add notification into your Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.